Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a monthly collaboration with Antoinette's Vignettes, and the host of this collab is Antoinette Decorating. The co-host this month is at Penny's Place, and the theme is Reindeer, My Dear. So we are starting this collab with this fold table, and this is where I'm going to display my vignette. Now we're using the gold wire baskets that the Dollar Tree carries, and then I decided to purchase a black runner and a white runner from the Dollar Tree. So this right here is a small little vase that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I DIY'd it, and I decided to put some florals in it and also a reindeer. So that we're going to be placing somewhere around this table because I move stuff around until I like its placement. So right now, this is where it's sitting. Now the Dollar Tree carries this beautiful Santa Claus. It looks vintage and it's a nice size. It's beautiful. And we're going to be placing that in the basket. So now the Dollar Tree carries these pre-lit candles, and I think they're absolutely awesome, and they do last for a while. And then of course we're going to be moving that little vase, so note that I will be moving stuff around, until it makes you happy. So make sure and do the same thing, okay? Now I'm absolutely loving the bottle brush trees that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. So thank goodness I grabbed a couple of them, and I think they look perfect on this vignette table. Now these beautiful wings they've been carrying it for a couple of years now, and I think this year they even brought it back in an iridescent. But these are the regular ones in the white, and we're going to be placing that in the tray. Now they also had the bottle brush trees, the smaller sizes, in the gold and the silver. So they also had the white, and they also have the green. Those are a little bit bigger sizes, but I'm loving the gold and the silver. So one of my favorite items is the Santa hat in the mirrored embellishment. So I absolutely love that. So I do have a couple of those, but we're only using one. And then they came out with a 2-pack of the snowballs. These happen to have some iridescent on them, so we're going to be using both of those in this tray. Okay, so now a while back, the Dollar Tree were carrying these signs. Now, I'm not sure about the other wordings on them, but I absolutely love the bless sign, so we are incorporating this in our vignettes. So I also found in my stash this moose. Now I know for the last couple of years I've been seeing this little moose, and I had to buy a couple of them. So we are going to incorporate that in our vignette also. I think he's so cute. Now this church here that they brought out this year at the Dollar Tree is an iridescent church, and it's pre-lit. This is an absolutely beautiful piece, and this I am going to incorporate in my tray. Now I do want to take a moment and thank the host, Antoinette Decorating, and the co-host at Penny Place for this collab. I absolutely had a great time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now let's go on to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video just as much as I enjoy creating it. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. And make sure and head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everybody else decorated their vignettes. So I'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays.